Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyurl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smartyurl.it/pass. This video channel is at smartyurl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartyurl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartyurl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. Let x be a continuous random variable with density function equal to p minus 1 over x to the power p for x more than 1 and 0 otherwise. Calculate the value of p such that expected value of x is equal to 2. And here's the solution. So we first note that p cannot be equal to 1 because that would make the density function identically equal to 0. And in fact, p is more than 1, as otherwise the density function would be negative. We have the survival function of this random variable equal to 1 for x between 0 and 1. And the random variable is non-negative or greater than or equal to 0 with probability 1. And for x more than 1, the survival function is the integral from x to plus infinity of p minus 1 to the power t to the power p dt. I change the variable to t so that we can do the calculation for that x. Anyway, so that's equal to p minus 1, a constant in front, and then t to the minus p plus 1 over minus p plus 1. That's the function whose derivative we see under the integral. And we evaluate from t equal to x to t going to infinity. And of course, p minus 1 and 1 minus p cancel out, leaving only a minus sign. So this is minus 1 over t to the power p minus 1 evaluated from t equal to x to t going to plus infinity. At infinity, this is 0, and we subtract the value at t equal to x, which is minus 1 over x to the power p minus 1. So the survival function is equal to 1 over x to the power p minus 1. And the expected value of x is the integral from 0 to plus infinity of the survival function by the Darth Vader rule. That's equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 plus the integral from 1 to plus infinity of 1 over x to the power p minus 1 dx. Of course, the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 is 1. The function whose derivative we have under the second integral is x to the power 1 minus p plus 1 over 1 minus p plus 1 evaluated, and then we evaluate it from x equal to 1 to x going to plus infinity. We factor out the constant, which is 1 over p, 2 minus p, and we only have x over to the power 1 over x to the power p minus 2 evaluated from x equal to 0 to x going to plus infinity. That's infinite, actually, if p is less than or equal to 2. Not good. Or 1 plus 1 over p minus 2 if p is more than 2. And we want this expected value to be equal to 2. And that is only possible if p is more than 2. And 1 plus 1 over p minus 2 is equal to 2. And this implies that p is equal to 3, which is answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to a society of actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.